Hello friends, are you interested to pursue your career as a developer or an analyst or an engineer, right? If yes, then you are in the right place. EduBridge Learning Private Limited offers 3 courses on Java full stack and Python development course. Each of these courses are aligned to the specific roles in the industry and they have their set of tools, technologies and that will be covered during this training. So today let me tell you or let me show you a small activity to understand what's the full stack. I will let you know what will be learning part as a course. We will understand what is the difference between Java and Python programming. So let's get started. Assume that you want to start your own business and you want to promote. According to you, what are the different ways of doing it? Which is the fastest way to reach large number of people or groups? Yes, there are various ways like advertisement, word of mouth and an online portal or websites. This plays an important role to promote your businesses in online. Now that pandemic has hit us, most of us are using online mobile applications or online websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, BigBasket and many more to fulfill our daily needs. All the online businesses needs to display their product and services with beautiful layout or pictures, colors, text, etc. This page that you see, as soon as you hit the link called as front end or user interface. Say suppose now you want to log in into your banking account using your ID and password. It needs to be validated if the user is authenticated person or not, which means some check is to be done. This logic is done at backend. Any core logic, authentication, calculation, instructions, etc. are done at your backend. Finally, your details like name, password, account number, etc. needs to be stored somewhere. This is called as database. All of this together is known as full stack. Though each type of development has its own preferred language and required role, final product always consists of skills, scripts, interface and technologies. Here you can see coverage for Java and Python full stack. In Java full stack you will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and TypeScript. These used to front-end technologies. In the backend you will learn Java with its framework Hibernate and Spring or Spring Boot. Database will cover MySQL Server. Similarly, in case of Python, front-end and database technology are the same as Java full stack. In case of backend, we will be using Python with Django framework and Ruby programming with Rails framework. Now that we have seen the coverage, let us understand how different or same is Java from Python. Java has set of structured codes whereas Python has more simple syntax that can be easily understood. When I say structured, it means the codes can be easily read even if it is large program. Both can be used to develop web pages. Java has been there for quite some time. Python is a new language but it is gaining the momentum. If anyone who does not have any technical knowledge can always start their career with Python stack, which is more easier to learn. Java is used in lot of platforms such as Android applications, server backends, desktop applications. So learning Java is a stepping stone to any of these. Python is widely used in machine learning, deep learning, general AI field and website development too. Very useful in data analysis and visualization. Used in web development with frameworks like Django and used in fewer platforms. Now, based on this, enroll today to upskill yourself and make your career.